Hey guys, we received this Zingse vacuum seal backpack. It's a for travel expandable backpack with a compression bag. So I will show this is a really nice design that it have a backpack as a laptop bag and then also have a vacuum pocket where you can use the vacuum pump to shorten the size. So this have like a backpack pack with the air pump or a carry-on airplane with a waterproof airbag backpack. So it's a really nice feature. So I will show it to you one by one. So first impression, nice design and shape. The second is like it's very comfortable from the side with the straps and everything. And there are different things that you can control these straps. Also, you can adjust the size and everything. There are comfortable cushions here. Then in the back support as well. You can also use it for the luggage. And there are multiple things. So a side pocket for your mobile or everything, and then in the front one. So from the front, there are ample of these pockets, and just let me just open and show it to you. So you can control the size like a compression thing, and then this is the main zipper pocket. So easy zipper. This is the main vacuum. Comes with this air pump. So this air pump itself is a very nice thing and have multiple functions that I will show it to you. So this air pump have like the light, the you know the blow like the inflation deflation function. This carry bag for the air pump. Also have this different attachment for the inflation thing. So basically, like this is for the deflation that you can put in and then suck up the air. So this is a main vacuum zipper. So it's little tight, but this will totally vacuum the air from inside once used fine. So very nice like space bag and nicely built with a waterproof inside pocket and a clear waterproof or the vacuum thing. So let me see like this is a big um, pillow that I'm trying to just stuff in this bag. As you can see, it is not even coming in this bag properly, and then the size will be not proper for the airplane thing. I will use this air pump, start this, and take this air in, and you can see it is sucking up the air, taking up the less size, and once this take up this air, this whole size will reduce to the smallest one, so easily comes in the bag, and I still have the space to put in the other stuff. So this is a really nice bag. I have seen this design first time and I like this design a lot. So see, this vacuum the whole bag and you can just take up and just suck up the things and just press to take up the extra air. And now once this is all done, you can clearly see that it reduced the size to the minimum one. So you can use it with the clothes as well and the other things. So see, it's reduced the whole size and now I can put in more stuff and other things here. So after putting in the things here, I can easily close this bag now. So I can put in all the other, stuff in here and then close it easily as a backpack. So it's a very nice bag like to zip to, the things, and this also have this lock system and this is you can also use to lock the things for the big bottles or things you have the zipper. So and also for the laptop and other things you can put in here. So I will say it's a really nice design with ample of the space and the things that you can put, and you can also store like everything for your travel and take the things out. So this have this front pocket as well for all your documents, files, and things here that you can put in and put in all the stuff with the zipper and the mesh bag. So, one is the front zipper bag, vacuum airtight layer, then the custom password lock or the lock expansion area and the computer bag. So this have a lot of things in this one bag. So I like the design and you can just put in the big water bottle or when you close this, you can just put in the small stuff. So Really nice and overall a waterproof fabric and the design, so pretty good. And also can be used for carry on the travel. You can also adjust this straps and things is very comfortable and everything. So I like this design a lot. It is just like you know things overall and put in all your stuff as a backpack that you can carry on the airlines and things. And with this air pump, also you have a light, so you can use with the three dimmable light function and also the inflation and deflation function. You can also charge it with a USB-C cable. So this cable also comes with it. So this thing have really good stuff, everything taken care of. So you can also use it for inflation of anything, so it's a small pump also, as you can feel the air here. So you can use different attachment and fill, like say you want to fill a air mattress or anything, you can use this. And just you see like the is inflating the air, so air pressure is okay. And then you can see it have this deflation function, inflation function, light, and then you can also use it as suspension to use it as a light, night light or the lamp for the camping. So overall, a really nice design you can see with a bright light, and also like different functions of light, emergency light and things. So and you can also comes with this carry bag that you can put in. So I would say like this have bag have a lot of potential and the accessory supply, two handles you can carry in either way you want. Also have the strap thing for the luggage that you can use and things. So I just see like after all this shape and size you can see like if I deflate or take out that vacuum thing inside, then how this will feel. So say like if I take out this thing like this zipper thing here and it will take up the air, so see how big it is and is not fitting in the bag. So this much of the stuff just for the vacuuming. So it's a very nice function for the vacuum zipping thing and the carry-on stuff. So you can easily carry on in your airplane and it is all recommended to use. So when I take or put it, this is very comfortable and looks really nice with a small factor normal backpack and contains a lot of stuff. So this is like a laptop bag or the backpack have everything with the pump and the other features. So a very nice travel bag and I recommend this bag for your travel use or carry on for the domestic flights or anywhere otherwise.